Hey everyone, welcome to my master bathroom series. So let me just give you a brief synopsis of what I am going to do with this series. It may not be an every weekly video, and it also may not be a bi-weekly. It will be when I have time to come in here and get things done. It's going to be a process, and I'm just going to give you a brief tour of my bathroom. Okay, so this is my master suite bathroom. I really haven't did anything but unbox a lot of the stuff. I did hang up these towels for right now. And if you remember my Boss Babe sign that I found at Hobby Lobby like last year. And I do have, you know, my white decor. The bathroom is not cleaned. I am going to be doing a clean with me after this video. So make sure to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to give me a like and leave me a lovely comment. Now, I am going to show you the products that I'm going to be using throughout the series. But just give you just like a little brief tour. I put that up on the wall to hold a lot of the stuff that I use on a regular basis. This is a big mirror that I'm going to be working on coming up in the series. That light fixture is going to be gone. And then this is like a little makeup counter, and I've already you know, did my drawers. They got to be really cleaned out again. We'll probably do a video on that. And underneath the bathroom sink, which is almost organized. I just was going through and pulling some stuff out. And also in the series, these cabinets, these two doors in that drawer there, this is going to be painted white. And then I bought these beautiful knobs last year. I've been waiting to put these on. So two will go here, and then I'll put two there. And that's just under the sink for my chair. Now this is just a temporary chair right now that I have in here. So we're gonna move over. I did hang up my curtains, the ones that I got from where was it? Bed Bath & Beyond for like $2 or something. And then my beautiful fake crystal shower curtain hangers. Now the tub has to get cleaned out, but I do have all my Fabulous So Fabulous bath salts essentials already in here. We're gonna reorganize this. Beautiful towels that I had found, and they've been up for about 2 months, so they're gonna get pulled down and get washed. And I got that from the Walmart, y'all remember, for $5. And I love this garden tub, but it's so low to the ground that I'm only able to get in once a week, because it's with my legs and my back, it's just hard for me to get up out of it. And I've always wanted, you know, this type of tub, and now that I have it, and it's not a waste. I love my tub, you know. Like I said, I just can't get up out of it every day. But nevertheless, I am eventually going to be changing out all the hardware that you see. That's going to get changed out, and also that's going to get changed out. Now my walls, I don't have a window in here, but these are the walls. So I am going to be showing you some different samples of maybe what I should put up on the walls here, just to give it a little luxury look. So that's what we're going to be doing. Well, that's what I'm going to be doing in this series, redoing this garden tub, spa-like. And then let's come over here. This is my bathroom. I just put this little white decoration pieces up that I've always had. New mirror, I added that. And I was gonna put a pole here, but I didn't lever it right, so that's got to come down. And I will be getting a new toilet installed, most likely next month. It'll be the 19-inch, the tallest that they have, because that will help me to be able to get up and get down. I don't want to put like a handicap rail or anything here in the bathroom. That was my fabulous toilet tissue holder that I had got from Ross a couple of months back. And then we still have to put the new toilet seat on. So I'm going to do a step back. And these are the floors, which they are okay, but I am not into dark colors. So we are going to be lightening up this floor in one of my bathroom series. This is my shower. I have a separate shower, and it's frosted. Eventually I would like to get this door off and maybe just have the clear glass door, but we'll see as the budget goes. Also, we're going to get in here and get this lime away and get this scrubbed out, and then we're going to recaulk that in one of my videos again. This is the inside of my shower. Nothing spectacular. I am going to get the shower head changed out in the future. I want like the rainfall and then the handheld one like I had at the old place. So my shower is pretty decent. I don't need anything inside there. That's just good enough for me. But this door, for right now, I'm gonna descale it and recaulk it and start looking for, you know, the price of how much it would be just to have the clear glass. I like that type of cosmetic look. So I'm gonna stand back and just basically let you see the bathroom of what I've done so far, which is not a lot, but going into the month of September and October, this will be my focus to make my bathroom a luxury spa getaway. So I'm not sure what is going to come up first. I know, well, no, retract that. I know we're going to be doing a deep cleaning. You'll be seeing that first. Getting all this stuff off the countertop. I may actually take that down and put it around on this wall so you don't see it. But the thing is that I live in this, you know, this is my house. I live in this bathroom. So even if I keep it up here, I'll just organize it a little bit better, because this is my makeup and all that other jazz. So yeah, I hope that you will be interested in seeing me redo my fabulous master bathroom. I'm excited to get that light changed out. I'm going to be getting a new a new bathroom faucet changed out, and then I'm going to have the tub faucets changed out. I really would like to try to get the knobs and stuff over here, but I have to check with my handyman and see if that's feasible. But I don't want him cutting into the wall or anything, so I may just have to stick with this one piece here and then a new thing for the water. I can't think of it right now. New drain, and then that plug right there. So this is going to get all revamped. Type of pictures there on the wall. And then hopefully in my budget, I'll be able to get just a clear glass shower. So let me know your thoughts. about my bathroom and any hiccups that you may have had while doing your bathroom. I would really, really appreciate it. And this is just a little sneak peek of my master closet, and it's not done. And this will be coming up probably this winter. I am going to be having a whole new organization closet put in. But you know, when you move, you have to do one room at a time. So, like I always say, ciao. If it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all in my new master bathroom home series coming soon.